B, A or B. Yeah, B, right? Because again, you've got your X and Y axis, you've got your grid. It's really hard for us to determine value based on angle or arc length, as I was saying before. All right, last one. Which one? A or B? Which one generates better, more accurate estimates? Right, right. And here again, neither are particularly good, and I wouldn't say this is the best way to try and get people to make quick and accurate estimates as they're quickly processing your visualizations. But if you have to do it, a binned or clearly delineated, clearly sort of stepped gradient is going to be much, much, much better than trying to rely on color to do that. Because again, color has no intrinsic quantitative value at all. All right. Whew. We got through that. Enough with the science. Enough with the science of processing data visualizations. Let's move on to some more practical guidance, or at least something that I think is more practical. Even though we're going to come back to the Gestalt principles of visual perception and pre-attentive attributes over and over when you build your own visualizations. You're going to be thinking about this. I hope you'll be thinking about this moving on. So let's start with something that isn't really